to brew my first cup of coffee on this Capresso machine. So I'm using this Kona Gourmet Blend. I got this from BJ's. It's delicious coffee. But let's see how it performs. So we turn it on. I guess because I just primed it, it must be warm. So I'm just gonna do 1 cup. I just use the little cup. I'm not sure really what this is called. I'm sure there's a name for it, but they provide 2 of those, and I actually use 1 cup of this. I'm sorry, 1 measurement. And now I'm going to press the 1 cup and see what happens. There it is. Looks delicious already. So there we go. Seems a little bit, I guess it's 1 ounce or so.